For everyone interested in my gardening, this is the piggy. I planted these cloves, garlic cloves, in December 2024. And in the past I had a very good harvest in April, when all these, say, one garlic cloves got to, say, a big bulb of garlic. But now I don't know why, and I'm not going to elaborate that. I don't know why there are no big garlic cloves. Anyway, here they are. It seems a little bit okay. Say, here we have the first stage of a garlic clove, but now it is April in 2025 in the Netherlands, and in the past on April I had already, say, the past year I had already a big clove anyway, and now perhaps I have to grow them for a longer time. I don't know that exactly. Anyway, the idea is now, say, to cut off here the mini cloves and then the leaves, and I will put everything in the food dryer, so that perhaps I can get out of this harvest a kind of powder, garlic powder, and that's the idea. Thanks for watching.